Alright, well, tonight I'm going to change the water, my nutrients in my reservoir for my little aeroponics system that I created. Pretty basic. I just got some plans off online and built it out, and I'd kind of tinkered with it before, so kind of had an idea what I was doing. This is the third version. There was just little tweaks every time, and then I found myself at Home Depot, like, oh, I forgot this part. Anyways, finally got it done. It works fairly good. I have my tomatoes, my peppers, my basil, and then the lettuce. The lettuce is getting these weird black spots. In fact, I'll show you here in just a second. But everything I read said that it's due to too much nutrients. So that brings me to this. So back in the day when I used to do this, I would use, it was a 3-2-1 basically mix. So if I'm just growing, I'm in veg, I would do 3 of the grow, 2 of the micro, 1 of the bloom. When I switched over to flowering, it would swap. It would go bloom, micro, and then 1 of the grow. So I think at least for the lettuce, it's too much for it. I don't think I need the bloom. So this time I'm going to mix it up with just the grow and just the micro. I pre-measured my water up to my line that I did last time, and so I also pre-measured on here, so I have my 3-2-1 ratio all broke down. So don't need that. Let's start with the grow. And this tank is 8 gallons. Oh. Add a good stir. And then my microphone. So I'll do an update like next week, probably see how those came around, if those black spots started disappearing. Also, I'm trying a new microphone out tonight, so if the audio sucks, I apologize. First run of it. Alright, so that's all made up. I just have to put my pump back, put it back in here, and put the plants back. So, cool.